So we've got this product, which is a little bit more budget than the Ninja things, but a double stacked air fryer. The whole idea of this is to give you good capacity for family cooking, but taking up less space on the work surface. Even the control panel folds away so that you can stand it on a small space in the work surface, and when you're ready to go, perhaps pull it forward and away you go. This is 11 litres over the double stack. What I like about it is it's got the window. So if you're new to air frying, you can still keep an eye on what's happening, because air fryers cook very, very quickly. So you can look in there and think, oh, those sausages are nearly done. Or, you know, the chicken pieces, I want them a little bit browner. So a really nice product. As I say, the twin drawers, you can use them individually or you can use them together. We just think that air frying is such a big thing. It's still going forward, started with the energy crisis, but once you get your hands on an air fryer, they're so versatile, they're so fast, they do make cooking so much easier.